Hi, my name is Ashley Smoley, and I'm the Customer Success Manager at ComOps. What truly inspires me is my passion for customer success and helping to build strong brand reputations. I love creating memorable and meaningful experiences that keep guests coming back because at the heart of hospitality is connection, and I'm always striving to bring excellence and care into every interaction. Outside of work, I'm a big fan of anything creative. I love reading, writing, baking, and drawing. Whether it's spending a day diving into a good book or trying out a new and exciting recipe, I find joy in creating and storytelling. I believe that passion, service, and creativity all go hand in hand, and I bring that energy into everything that I do, both in and out of the workplace.